Yeah, we're up at Mount Bachelor. We're going to do some mountain biking. It's a gorgeous day out, about 83 degrees, blue skies, no smoke. It's awesome. Excited to ride. Let's go. Lena and Sage are going first. Bye guys, have fun. You having fun?
Yes.
$19 for a lift, and it's all day for the sunshine run, which is sort of the beginner's run, and you'll see the footage on the GoPro. It's actually very cool. There's some technical stuff as well, but you come up here and you can go all day long for $19. They have rentals for bikes and helmets and all the gear that you need. If you didn't bring your stuff with you, you can just come up here and rent it. So come on up here to Bachelor and check out the downhill mountain biking, right?
Mm-hmm.
See ya.
When you were little, I would have given so much money to have you wear that. Oh my gosh.
Nice job, buddy.
Thank you. Want a drink? Anybody need water?
Hi guys.
Hi.
Super close up for Sage.
Yay. That's pretty.
Super close up for Jaden.
Hi.
Probably does that 24/7 all
Oh
summer
yeah,
long.
probably.
Setting down.
Setting down.
Yeah, the
this
views
is so
up
much
here.
fun to ski.
Go ahead and light this one up and this one up.
Oh my gosh.
They're iron. And you monitor the
Stand over there, guys.
every day.
Hold on, I need to drink.
There's
That's
meters
good. You're good,
up.
Jake. Stop.
And if you all of a sudden have a spike, you can
So, if you're in the Bend area, definitely come up to Mount Bachelor. If you buy the lift ticket, you can get all the way up to the top where the restaurant is. There's a restaurant here that serves dinner and lunch and snacks and stuff, and you've got top of the world views. Just awesome.
Wow, that's crazy. How you doing, Jade?
I don't have a problem with heights at all.
What did you guys think about going up to the top?
It was pretty cool.
Really awesome.
You liked it, Jade? All right,
No.
I liked it.
No.
Very cool. Definitely worth it. It was worth the free price. Well, it's not free, but if you're just doing the Sunshine Hill, or what's it called? Sunshine? The Sunshine Hill. Sun something.
It's sunshine. Sun something.
Definitely come up to the top. All right, well, we're back at camp, getting ready to have a beer, back from Bachelor, and the lift tickets for the Sunshine, the small hill, were $19 each, and the tickets for, which are good for the long lift up to the chalet also. The tickets for the bigger hill, if you're going to mountain bike, are $42, and those are both for all day and all day use, unlimited runs, and you can ride the chairlift. If you just buy the Sunshine tickets, you can ride the chairlift up to the chalet for lunch. There's a restaurant up there with burgers, pizza, pasta, desserts, coffee, beer, all that kind of stuff. There's a coffee shop up there as well, Pinnacle's Coffee Shop. So it was very cool. If you're in the Bend area, I'd really recommend going up there. The views are amazing of the sisters, and you're right up on top of Mount Bachelor. It was really great. So that's highly recommended. It's about 18 miles out of town, so only took us about 25 minutes to get up there in the truck camper, and we had the bikes with us, and it was just a great ride. They have rentals, bike rentals, downhill mountain bike rentals, full pads, helmets, and knee pads and elbow pads and all that stuff. So you can rent all that there or bring your own gear and just ride the lift. So really cool, highly recommended, and you've got to, if you're in the Bend area, definitely check out Mount Bachelor. Got this awesome Stickerlicious Happy Camper sticker made in Bend, Oregon. I'm gonna go put it on the back door. We'll be using my National Parks America the Beautiful squeegee